In the vast expanse of the cosmos, there's a little blue planet, our Earth, that's currently grappling with a colossal challenge: plastic waste. But amidst this pressing concern, there emerges a beacon of hope: advanced recycling technologies. Imagine a world where plastic waste isn't waste at all. A world where every discarded water bottle, every forgotten grocery bag, every tossed-aside toy isn't destined for the landfill but for a new life. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, but the very real promise of advanced recycling technologies. Follow the journey of a single plastic bottle. Once discarded, it may seem like the end of the road, but in reality, it's just the beginning. Advanced recycling technologies like chemical recycling, depolymerization, and solvent extraction swoop in like superheroes, ready to transform this waste into something valuable. Chemical recycling, for instance, doesn't see a plastic bottle. It sees a wealth of hydrocarbons. It breaks down the plastic to its molecular level, releasing these hydrocarbons that can be used to produce new plastic or even alternative forms of energy. Then there's depolymerization, another form of advanced recycling. This process takes the plastic bottle on a journey back in time, returning it to its original building blocks, the monomers. These monomers, once freed, can be reconstructed into brand new plastic products. And let's not forget about solvent extraction. This method sees the plastic bottle and envisions a cleaner, greener future. It uses solvents to dissolve the plastic, separating it into its constituent parts. These parts can then be repurposed, giving the plastic bottle not just a second life, but countless potential lives. These advanced recycling technologies are not just about managing plastic waste. They're about redefining it. They're about turning a global challenge into a global opportunity. They're about ensuring that every piece of plastic has a purpose, a potential, a promise. In essence, with advanced recycling technologies, the future of plastic waste looks less like a landfill and more like a production line. They represent a shift in our understanding of waste, a reimagining of our relationship with plastic, and a step towards a more sustainable, circular economy. It's a journey that's only just begun, but one that holds the potential to change our world. So the next time you see a piece of plastic, don't just see waste. See a world of possibilities thanks to advanced recycling technologies. As the saying goes, one person's trash is another person's treasure. But with advanced recycling technologies, one person's plastic waste can be everyone's treasure. It's a journey of transformation, a journey of potential, a journey of hope. And it's a journey that's just getting started.